welcome back. Recently, you might have noticed that there is a pop-up coming in SelectorsHub and TestCase Studio. Like, let's say if you have saved 5 test cases in TestCase Studio, you might have noticed this kind of alert pop-up. And if you would have copied like a number of XPath or selectors from SelectorsHub, then you might have seen this, noticed this. Reason why we have added this, let me explain and why this is there. So first of all, like SelectorsHub is free and was free, is free, and always be free in the future as well. The thing is, like, to run all these free products, like now we have so many free products, SelectorsHub, TestCase Studio, TestCase Hub, Testing Daily, Auto Test Data, and we are like providing the day night support for all the users. Now we have like around 500,000 users for all these tools. So to support all of them, to keep providing the updates on all these tools and adding new tools, we really need the support from the community, because we never want to announce something like what happened with test project, that now they are not supporting, that got like it's uh, RIP for them, then tag UI also. So we never want to do that. So for that we are trying ways uh, by supporting some companies so that we can get help from them, as well as at the same time we are requesting our users to support Selectors Hub in any form. Like, you see today we have right now 27 patrons, and through which we get $132 per month. But is it really sufficient to run all these free products? No, not at all. So for that we definitely need the company's support, we need the user support. So what we are trying requesting here through these alerts, so we are just add we have added them. Like, let's say this is test case studio here, and if you like save 5 times this test case, 5 test cases from here, then you will see this. So what basically it is saying, that thanks for trying out test case studio, this is a free version, and although this is a free forever, but pro version must be used for business use. Would you like to take a free trial of the pro version? So we are requesting those people, those who are using it for business purpose, that please upgrade to the pro version. If you are using it for a community use, for learning, for like your personal use, definitely you keep it using. But if you are helping your company to save time through these tools, then why are you not asking your company to upgrade to the pro version? Or like any kind of patrons or donation it could be, because the pro version is also, we have kept it almost free. There was nothing like there was no concept actually for the pro version, but just that like we have introduced so that we can get like $5-10 a year for these tools from every user, so that we can keep running smoothly all these tools. Similarly, in Selectors Hub also we have added this. So if you will click on this copy icon here, and if you click it, like let's say right now we have added on the 50 count. So if you copy 50 times these XPath or selectors, then in that case you will see the that pop up here. So what we will like over the time, we might have to we might remove this pop up. We will remove this, of course, like once we will achieve our goal, that these many people if we start using the pro version, then we will definitely remove this. Or else like we might also have to decrease the number, because see, this year is like very crucial, market is not at all good. So many none of the companies are getting like funding, or like so many free tools are getting closed. So to keep running all these products like we always promised, we really need your support. In fact, like I don't understand what's this. Like some people gives this kind of like 1 star rating. It's been like almost 3 years we are running and providing this support to you guys, but does it at all make any sense that you guys are giving 1 star rating and writing this kind of review? It is like totally disheartening. We understand that you face some challenges, but in that case, like we are requesting that you if you don't want, you just click on cancel, then it will not show after 50 again, it will just request. So if you want like uninterrupted uh, service, and you want like a pro kind of service, then just take this pro version. It is not at all costly, just $2.5, not even a coffee cost what you drink every day per month. So hardly like $30 a year for Selectors Hub Pro. So you can, anybody can take that. So that way it will help a lot. And guys, please don't do this. Like, this is totally disheartening, and a lot of people write really bad words, which which is not at all like useful. And it really because your reviews and feedback is the motivation to keep supporting you guys and keep adding more and more feature, keep adding more and more innovation, so that like you guys can save some time which you guys can utilize somewhere. So please do not give the bad ratings. It really not good at all. Like, when somebody request for you for the like donation or support, if a creator or if a tool request you which is free, it doesn't mean that you give that tool a bad rating. And in fact, like, I will request all the users, those who are watching this video, please give rating. You see today, like, we have almost 200k users. It is here, it is showing like 100k, because once it will be 200k it will be there. So now today we have on Chrome 1,80,000 users, but only 1200 ratings there. So we'll request you guys that please, whenever you get a chance, please write a review, give a 5-star rating, let others know about Selectors Hub. This way we will get your support, we will get more users will get to know. And if like even 1% users come out and start supporting Selectors Hub, then also we can always keep running all these free products very smoothly. And like we always promise, that we have never made any free feature as paid. Whatever free features from the beginning was there, today they are there and will always be there as free. We will never make any single feature which was free into paid. Whatever features are there in pro version, they have been lately introduced the new features and more advanced. And gradually we are also moving those pro version features into the free version whenever there is a new version of the pro. So please do support. Do not add such kind of negative reviews. It really uh, feel very bad that in place of supporting such free products, you are giving negative reviews. We are just trying to help you guys on your work. If you really want to support if you really need the uninterrupted service, of course go for pro version. And if you are in a company using the product which is helping company, just let your manager or your company know about this product pro version. And like for them it is just nothing, it's just nothing, it is almost free. The like if you look at the pro version of the Selectors Hub or TestCase Studio, they're just $2.5. It's just nothing for a company. Like $30 per year is just nothing for a company. So guys, it's humble request that please support. And we really want to support our community. We never want to uh, say goodbye to any of our tool, and we will keep improving, keep adding more and more features, more and more innovation. Just that like we really need your support. So this year is really hard for everyone. So please support Selectors Hub, let others know about this product. And if in any ways, like by adding review, by letting others know about Selectors Hub, by donation, by being a patron, or by letting your company know about the product, that this is there and we should support because we have been using and it is saving this much time, it will help a lot Selectors Hub to run flawlessly and to grow and to help community a lot. With that, thank you so much guys, and we're looking forward for your support. Thank you. And also, like, one more request, that whenever you see any kind of informative things here in the bottom, because we used to keep showing here, you see that we used to keep showing some really important information. Whenever you see that, so please click on them and check out those things. What are those? They will definitely help you, like free API security, autopilot in Postman. So check out these tools as well, like whatever we show in the footer. So do click on them, do check out them, read about them, like what is this, all things are showing here. So because they will also be very helpful for you in your like day-to-day work. We are not showing anything like something which is not relevant to you, because you are a tester. And whatever information, like run your automation test up to 70% faster. Imagine like you are running something which takes an hour today, and when if you will run with this thing with lambda test, then your execution will be 70% faster. Isn't it going to like very helpful for you? So whatever information we show here in the bottom, please do check out them as well. Hope this video was helpful for you and it answered your question, that what those things are there, what these alert pop-ups are there. And please avoid giving the negative reviews. We are trying to help you, we are here to help you, guys, and we are here like all like a family, like a community, so we are all helping each other. Thank you so much.